The ad war between Sebamed and HUL has now gone to court after HUL filed a suit in the Bombay High Court against the advertisements by Sebamed. Now, what Sebamed had done is they had launched a slew of advertisements saying that HUL soaps, mainly Pears and Lux, have a pH level of 10, which is equal to the pH level of a bar of Rin detergent. What Sebamed had additionally said that the pH level in their soap stands at 5.5, which is equal to the ideal pH level for your skin. So now what has happened is that the Bombay High Court has granted interim relief to HUL in response to a suit filed by HUL, and additionally the Bombay High Court, as per HUL, has said that HUL made the arguments that disparaging campaign launched by Sebamed against HUL's well-known brand is detrimental to their brand, and the court held that HUL has made a strong prima facie case for grant of ad interim relief. The court recorded the submissions of HUL that the advertisement campaign denigrates its brands and products and does not take into account the full formulations of the products in questions and misleads consumers only on the basis of pH. The court order acknowledges that the advertisement's purpose was not to promote a product by Sebamed, but in fact to discourage the consumer from purchasing HUL's products, which is not permissible. Just before HUL had filed the suit, we were wondering as to what would be the perfect response from HUL's side, because they had not come out with any strong ads in response, while Sebamed's ads were in print, as well as there were video ads saying that HUL soaps are really bad for your skin. Now, what we also understand that the order reads that it is clear that in comparative advertisements, the defendant, that is Sebamed, is entitled to claim that its product is better or best, provided he does it without denigrating the plaintiff's product. Further, if the manner of the defendant's advertisement is ridiculing or condemning the product of plaintiff, then it amounts to disparagement. Now, additionally, this interim relief has been granted to HUL without the pleas being heard by the arguments being heard from Sebamed's side. So what the order also reads that I am conscious of the fact that in the view of the urgency of the plaintiff's application, I am passing this order without hearing the defendant, that is Sebamed. In view of the same and given the nature of the present action, I am making this applicable returnable on 14th of January. That is when this case will be heard again in the court. And what the order also says that the defendant, that is Sebamed, shall file its reply, if any, on or before the next date. So clearly, I mean, this matter has gone to court. We will have to see what are the arguments that come in from Sebamed's side, but a very big relief coming in for HUL. Remember, these soaps by HUL, which Sebamed was pointing fingers at, are over 100 years old, and there have been no issues that have come up. In fact, pH 10 is the level according to the order as well. The order notes that pH 10 is the approximate level from 7 to 10 for soaps, for bathing soaps, for soaps that are okay for your skin, and the pH level for detergents are 10 or higher, but there is no further commonality between these two soaps, and there are other formulations that should also be taken into consideration while determining whether a soap is good for your skin or not, and just not plainly comparing these soaps in comparison to a bar of detergent. Of course, we'll have to see what happens in the court further, but for now, this is a big relief coming in for HUL.